Everything should come out nice and easy. We're gonna blast. The carbon heat shield is on. And we're back with another one, guys. Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to another Motovation USA video. Super excited to be doing this mod on this motorcycle because it's off season. It's the time to visit the site, check out what's new, see ways that you can make your bike your own for 2024. We're gonna be doing some Ilmberger frame cover on the Streetfighter V4S. We're gonna walk you through it. You're gonna enjoy the video. Hit that thumbs up. Let's throw this on. We're gonna start off very simple. You're gonna remove these 4 screws at the very top, removing this piece, and then from there we'll move on to removing the sides. Now we're just gonna lift this. You're gonna run your fingers right to the sides. All right, continuing on, guys, you're gonna move to the left-hand side of the Streetfighter. There are 3 screws right down these little section here. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna remove those. Removing these screws are gonna give us access to the side panels. Now that all the screws are out in the front, up above, we're gonna lightly pinch these little corners, lightly pull. Nothing very aggressive, abrasive. Again, be gentle, guys, as you're doing this. There's a hinge on the inside, right over there. If you can see where my finger's pointed, you wanna lift up. You're gonna feel it snap out, and just like that, everything should come out nice and easy. There's no broken tabs. That's what we want. We want to make sure we're smooth with it. And that's where it was hinged, by the way, guys, right here, if you can notice this little piece here. So we're gonna clean up the frame right here, guys, and then put the carbon fiber heat shield on. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna peel off the factory sticker. You're gonna need yourself a heat gun. Gonna blast it for a little bit so that way it's nice and soft, and it'll be pretty easy to pull off, to peel. Also, you'll be able to save this. So you can technically store this somewhere safe. There you go. Manufacturer sticker come right off. Now we're gonna take some alcohol and clean this off and then put the carbon fiber on. Just gonna wipe it down. That way there's no kind of debris or dirt on here that's gonna prevent it from sticking completely. And you can tell, look, how much dirt that was actually on there. I know a lot of time people don't think it's dirty, but definitely clean this up before you do this part. You let it dry, air dry, the alcohol, let it completely dry, and then you'll do the carbon frame cover. It's gonna look fantastic. Also, we're gonna do another step by preheating the 2M double-sided tape adhesive that's on there. That way it stays permanently without any issues. This is the carbon fiber piece that we're gonna throw on here on the Streetfighter. On the inside, you're gonna see a double-sided adhesive. You're gonna peel these off and then heat blast them with the heat gun and then tape it on. We're gonna blast that 2M double-sided tape. That way it sticks on really, really well. I do this with my GoPro mounts as well. Works tremendously well, and they stay on without any issue for a long period of time. So highly recommend you heat blast these for 5-10 minutes. Don't overdo it. Don't burn the tape. Use your own discretion and then apply. And here we go, guys. Just like that. The carbon heat shield is on. What I'd recommend doing is blasting it with the heat gun from the outside again, just to make sure that it completely stay, no problems, no issues. I've seen where people kind of tie it together so it stay, but I'd say just use your heat gun again and then apply a little bit more pressure. Just from the outside, don't overdo it. Don't, put it very close to the carbon fiber. You're just gonna blast it with a little bit of heat, guys. That's all. Just memorize where the stickers were and kind of blast it there a little bit. And then we're just gonna apply some heavy pressure. Just go over. We're gonna put the side fairing back on. Make sure you hinge your tabs in Also, this one here is like a drop in. So we're gonna go up and down. Here we go, boys. If you look at the very top here, you'll see when you actually fall into place right here, guys. And make sure that this tab is clipped on. You see that? That was not clipped on. All right. The top fit perfect. And the bottom here, you see that? That did not clip on, so we have to redo it. When the tabs line up, it won't be able to move. There you go. See, when it's in, you see that how the tab does not move anymore. It's in properly. It's hinged inside properly also, and then the pieces fell exactly where they needed to be. Now we can start wrapping up and putting the screws back in. Alright, we're going to do the same thing we did on the opposite side, and then from there we're going to remove these two screws and then apply the next side. Alright, now we're going to move on to removing these because we're going to need to slide it all the way in. I preemptively loosen them up, make it a lot easier to get what I need in and out. Both of them are done. I could actually freely move this piece. Now we're just going to clean this off completely. Hit these guys with some heat. Make sure they adhere nice and sticky. And here we go. This one you got to slide inwards a little bit. Now I'm going to put these screws back in. Just like that, another super simple one, guys, that's gonna add so much riz to your bike. My Streetfighter V4S is coming along swimmingly. Chef's kiss, all right? As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motovation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorships. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop motivationusa.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often. I know I do. Super excited for 2024, and so much more is yet to come, guys. Very excited. Hit those links, hit the website, support your local businesses. Motovation USA.